Hi channel! Welcome to my guys. This is Renz from the Renzone project, and for today's video we're going to unbox and review Nendoroid Hinata Shoyo from the hit anime and manga Haikyu. So this is the version from the Haikyu to the top with the new uniform, and special thanks to Yabayabay for getting me this figure. Then special shoutout nga pala PTBC, Pinoy Toy Vloggers Community, and sa mga friends ko, kila Sir Tani, kila Mark, kila Yui, kila Johnny Pops, and sa sister ko na nagbi-video ngayon. So yun lang, unbox na natin to. Here's Hinata Shoyo outside of the box. So let's check the details of the Nendoroid. The hair is good. The colors are correct. Even the colors of the uniform. For the base plate, it's all good. For the articulation, standard Nendoroid articulation. Head can go up and down, side to side. Arms can go up 360. Then can also rotate this part. For the waist, rotate this. For the legs, forward and backward, and there's also a thigh rotation. So it also comes with a base with two stands, one for Hinata, then one for the ball, then a ball, a net. That's it. Here are the two extra faceplate. It also comes with two optional leg part for running or for jumping. A right arm with chopsticks. And a left arm with rise. Here are the optional arms that can be used when Hinata is playing. So later on we will try to replace the parts, and let's see what can we do. Overall, this figure is good for the price of 1,820. get more from what you paid for in terms of accessories, face plates, and the level of details from this Nendoroid. So shout out again to Yabai Yabai for this figure. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to comment and share it to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. So, that's all.